What's up, everybody? It is John from 3 Guys 1 Puck, and today we are breaking 1819 SP Blaster Box. Let's hop right into it, shall we? We're pretty familiar with these boxes.
How many do you think you've opened?
Too many.
That's a good answer.
That's the correct answer here.
Yeah. Well, you can do it, buddy.
We're getting there.
Strength!
That's some hard plastic. Didn't think I was going to make it through it.
Quinn dealt with that for you.
It's gone. Quinn's going to break something, but let's get right into it, shall we?
I always break something.
Alright, first pack.
Uh-oh.
Let's see if he has as much trouble as I do.
Yeah, basically. Okay. James Van Riemsdyk, Anthony Mantha, Mikko Rantanen in blue parallel, Henrik Borgstrom rookie authentics, Leon Draisaitl, and that's it.
Yep. 5 cards.
I'm not good at counting. I can't count to 5. Right?
That's all, folks.
Chirp me in the comments. You won't.
I'll chirp you right now, boy.
All right. Dominic Hasek.
I'm a little happier, boy.
Nikita Kucherov, blue parallel.
Oh.
Ryan Donato, rookie
Bruins.
authentics. Feels bad, eh? William Karlsson and Matthew Barzal.
Uh-oh.
These packs, man.
Good.
They just rip so easily. Alright. Roberto Luongo.
Retired.
Mark Messier, blue parallel.
Retired.
Mark Stone, authentic profiles.
Okay.
Evander Kane. Brent Burns.
Do you have all the profiles?
Yep.
You do. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
We have this whole set. Excluding jerseys and autographs
Yeah.
and whatnot, right?
Fair.
Alright. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Duncan Keith. Andrei
Hey.
Svechnikov, rookie authentics. That's one of the better ones to get for sure. Jonathan Marchessault. And Taylor Hall. Alright, I believe we just passed the halfway point. We're at the halfway point, somewhere around there.
You sound like you'd be a perfect commentator for golf. We're casually opening hockey cards here. We're on to the 5th pack.
Yeah,
We're past the halfway
throws
mark.
a par. Let's get right back into it.
First up, we have
Evgeny Malkin. Brad Marchand, blue parallel. Casey Middlestad, rookie authentics. I'm getting some good rookies, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Mark Stone, Eric Stahl.
Still no hit.
3 packs to go, and we still don't have any hits. What's going on here?
What?
Oh my goodness. That
3
boy
packs
got destroyed.
remain.
Ooh, starting off with Guy. That means there's something good in here. Guy Lafleur. Eric Carlson. Anze Kopitar, blue parallel. And Ilya Samsonov, rookie authentics.
Good one to get at least.
Yeah, there you go. Andrei Vasilevsky to round that one out.
Cool.
2 packs remain in this box, ladies and gentlemen. Can we hit that poll?
We got James Neal, the real deal. Tom Wilson, blue parallel. Rasmus Dahlin, rookie authentics.
go.
Okay. All the rookie authentics. And a numbered Henrik Borgstrom, 716 out of 1199. Okay. Ryan O'Reilly to wrap that guy up, and we're on to the last pack. Let's see if we can get another pull. Hopefully a jersey. This does not feel like a jersey, though.
Could be an auto.
Spoiler alert! Alright.
Starting off with a blue parallel.
Starting off with a blue parallel. That's interesting. Jonathan Quick.
Okay.
Alex Ovechkin, authentic profiles.
Oh,
And
it
Eric
is a jersey. And it's an
Stahl,
authentic
jersey
profile.
authentic profile jersey.
Nice.
Okay, I believe Quinn was the only one to actually pull one
Yeah,
of
he pulled
these.
Subban.
Wow.
Now we have
So
Stahl.
now we have
Subban.
Eric Stahl.
Nice.
And then we got Charlie McAvoy to wrap it up. But let's go over what we got in this box. So we got some really good rookies, starting it off with Rasmus Dahlin, Ilya Samsonov, Casey Middlestad, Andrei Svechnikov, Ryan Donato, and Henrik Borgstrom. And then we also got a numbered Henrik Borgstrom, 716 of 1199 to go with that rookie authentics. And then we also pulled technically 3 profiles. So we got Alex Ovechkin, we got Mark Stone, and then we pulled a Eric Stool jersey authentic profile.
That's my favorite kind of green, so I might actually trade for that.
That's a good green to get for sure.
For sure, Gord.
For sure, Gord. But if you enjoyed this video and you like Eric Stahl, give this video a like. Also, comment below and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, do that.
Hit the button.